I have a lot of client stories that I love. One that sticks out was this lady that I met. She was a single mom of two, and she was a jack of all trades. She did, flooring and installation. Her dream was to have her own business, but she wasn't able to do that at that time because she had so many creditors from left and right, and she was just trying to take jobs, 15, 16, 17-hour days. So when I had talked to her, I said, you can keep that dream. The first thing that she did was she got stability in terms of her income. It was a retail job, but it was a 9 to 5, and through that, she was able to afford a consumer proposal. I think it was about 6 or 8 months later, she just comes in and she puts a business card on my desk, and it was her business that she had started. The consumer proposal was able to take care of her debt. It was able to create the balance that she needed. She was able to save during the process, and now she is running a successful business. It's just very rewarding. People don't realize you may not be able to do your dream right away at this moment, but get everything in order and don't lose sight of it and keep it in your mind. And when the time is right, you can pursue it with a fresh, clean start.